What na?
Okay, I'll volume myself. Go your turn.
What did I say?
Like this, volume.
Oh,
Volume.
volume down?
Yeah.
Oh, what did I
Okay.
say?
Okay. What's the decorations of Dad?
Nothing. It's already old. You don't need decorations.
Then how can we give the gift to the dad?
I don't know yet how. I'll
Maybe
figure it out.
let's figure it out today. You go first. Go.
What?
Think.
What will you sing for him? What song will you dedicate to him?
Later. Let's think about the plan. How to give the present.
Oh.
You first.
I don't know.
You first. Think.
Oh, what
You
do
have
you
a
think?
brain.
I will ask you.
Don't tell me one by one. You first go.
How to talk to your mom properly.
You first, Mom. Go.
I cannot think.
Just think in your brain. I can think.
Tell me what's your opinion. Oh, how?
Sampun yan.
How?
Later I said, okay, let me think. Tell me what? Go.
What's your idea? Just tell it to me. I don't even know.
Let's
How?
tell to Daddy. Can we come to your birthday? Can you invite us so that we can give you your present? That. Your turn.
It's not a surprise anymore. Oh.
Then how can we?
If he like it, there's no need to invite us.
Then who will give?
Don't know. He's always busy at work. He have a work that day.
No. After he's not in his birthday. How about when he's hard work in his birth? We can surprise him in his birth.
It's not a good idea. It's not allowed to go there.
Then
not
when
allowed.
he comes home, we can decorate his room, and then he will be shocked. Say, and his whole
Do you know where
corner-
is his house?
I don't know.
Oh.
I know where is it. Cause when me and Kuya were motoring, I knew it.
No. What's the color of his house?
I don't remember.
So what's
It's
the best?
just the side. Just go like you go there, and then you go left, and then you go right, and then go left. I know right.
Next,
and then,
that's
wait,
X.
stop. I'm talking, okay? And
Oh.
then I know. Let me show you. Okay, going to right now. Okay, and then I'll show you later if it's his birth. After his birth, we're gonna celebrate his birthday first. We have to buy some things before we go, and this is a big surprise for him, because he will be super happy. So tell to his parents to decorate all the things, and then he will say happy birthday, and then he will video. Thank you, Tala, for making this idea like that.
Did you meet her parents? Your
What do you mean
grandma?
her?
His parents?
Yes.
Do you know them?
Yes.
Oh. Next plan. How? How will you say it to them?
Just go to his parents.
Are you talking to them? How?
No.
Oh, so how? It's all
But
X.
you know that it's a secret.
X. Oh, so we don't have plan.
Then we can give it to a Shopee who comes here.
Oh, Shopee. And then?
And then he has to wrap it, and then he will give it to others, and then to my dad, and then once he opens it, he's gonna put, "Dear Dad, this is from Tala." Okay. And what else are you gonna think? I need to think. What time is it?
7:17. So how?
think. You think too.
I don't know.
Just say X if it's wrong. Okay.
X.
I didn't even say a word. Okay. How about we're gonna choose give it to the Shopee or we're going to his house
Hmm.
to sneak in his house and we'll if you know mommy, you know what time he's going to work?
I don't know po. It's early. 6:30 maybe.
6. We're gonna go to his house in 6:30 because we'll have to let him go to work first before we go to his house. Sneak in and be quietly, or else any dogs in there we tell to him because he knows the word like bark 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 bark. That means hello hello. Your daughter just sneak in your house and then he will come here, okay? And so we're just gonna go to his house and celebrate his
Show my mom is there.
I know.
Oh.
Can tell to her.
She will get mad.
Why? Why?
It's not a good idea.
It's a good thing.
We're not in good terms. We're not okay.
Why?
You will understand when you grow up. Okay?
Never mind. Let's just give it to a Shopee when he comes here, right?
Delivery man.
Mom? Yeah, delivery man. Even though we don't have a mailman, why do we don't have a mailman? Only others have a.
No one. In our generation today, you have cell phone. You can call, you can message.
But
They're not.
It will be not surprise.
Yeah. Oh, think.
Let's think together and tell me if you have something idea. Go think. You close your eyes so they can think.
It's okay.
You think. Don't even think about this deep. Tell me. You say, "Oh, I got it." Okay. You know
Oh, I cannot think.
I got it. I
Right.
got it. I got it.
Right.
So we're gonna sneak in his house. Oh wait, no. If we're gonna sneak behind the trees and then we're gonna see if the Shumai's mom will go away to a work and Shumai's mother's grandma. And then we're gonna sneak in because we're gonna celebrate his birthday. And then we're gonna put a letter there. And then we will wrap the present. And then we're gonna say
That's hard idea.
Why?
It's not easy to do it.
Easy.
That's not our property. That's not our house.
But that's how you plan it. We have plans to go sneak there. How can we give the present?
And then you meet your dad. Just call him.
But it will be not a surprise.
You call him.
Excuse me.
You call him and then you will tell him.
Let's practice. How do I give it to him? What's this?
Glasses.
I have to be careful. We have to stapler this so that he does not look at inside. And the letters are here, maybe. The letter
Not
here.
yet. Ala, it's so hot. Come here.
What if we have to start tape this so that he cannot see it?
No.
Mom. No. Wait, we're gonna take this thing off.
No.
Just kidding. So look. What are you supposed to do this?
No, just leave it there.
Okay. So let me practice how do I give it. Let's think first. What do you think?
Later you might.
You think also. Close your eyes. I'm looking at
I don't have a good idea.
You have
So hard.
why? You don't have idea and a brain? Just think.
Po.
You already have a brain. Every people have their brain. Just think. I'm looking at you. Close your eyes. Go think.
Po.
Bah! I got a plan. So we're gonna give it like this. Gonna sneak in. I know. We're gonna give it to a Shopee, and then we're gonna give it to. I know. Gonna give it to the Shopee. You have to order something so that if you will come here, tell him this. Pwede mo magbibigay kay daddy niya kasi birthday niya until birthday. Okay? Even though no one loves him cause he always argue with you. Even how do I have a sister? Shumai came from her own mother, not from you. How?
Step sister.
Call me. What you call me?
Step sister.
How about her mother? Stepmother.
Stepmother.
Stepmother?
Mm.
She's gonna be mean if we call her that.
You want
Like
to
a
call her stepmom?
Wow!
You want? Oh, you put it back na sana.
No, I'm gonna play with it.
You put it back
Like
na
the
po.
box.
You put it back.
No, wait. Gonna think how I'm gonna give it to him.
It's okay.
We're gonna
We
think
will
how.
just meet him. Go, you tell me.
Wait,
You put it down.
I got idea. Mom!